Yeah, so this is Javon Morgan's channel. Actually, I'm up by I don't even know a place still, but I'm near Figani Grill and I was working cutting some stones and I decided that I'm gonna take my free time and see if I could find some significant things on the seashore, like these rocks. They're looking naturally unique, right? Naturally unique. Yeah. And there are a lot of them as well, because look on these designs, these sculptures, these markings. They're so damn beautiful, man. Don't see any crab as yet, but I guess I might find one. But look at this shit. Damn, look at this. Look at this, man. Whoa. Is it God or just nature? I don't even know, but I mean, these things raise a lot of questions. Just looking at the seas and all these things, just nature, all these raises a lot of questions, you know? Right. Yeah. Actually, this is in Jamaica as well, yeah? Jamaica. So, okay, look at this. Damn. Even the leaves, man. They're so damn beautiful. Like, I can't even believe. Why are they looking like this? I understand? They look good. Look on all this stone here, brother. Damn. Oh my God. Nah, lie still. I'm in Manchester. I do them things, you know. Because I don't have the sea up there. Alright? We don't have the beach up there. Right? Yeah. So people, nobody really say nothing. If you don't see me dirty, look away, you know, I just done work. And actually, well, I was cutting stones like these. Yeah, so that's the reason why I'm so white. Even the phone case is white. Yeah. Oh, I see something that catches my eyes. But look at this leaf first. Damn, isn't it looking so beautiful? I know some of these white girls would like to put these things in a vase or something. Yeah, you know, make it look stunning and something like that. Yeah, beautifies your living room, you know. But look at these markings. Sometimes I wonder if it's the water or the salt in the water or some other things. I don't even know, but what's this? I would like to know what's this, man. I don't know. Anyway, I put it here. Right here. So when I want to see it again, I just get that back. Right there. Now. And another thing, these stones are so pointy. So pointy that I would never walk here barefoot. Never. But look at this. Damn. Look at it. It's so bad. Wow. It's so beautiful. Look at those purple and white mixes. It looks like ice cream. Yeah, I'm not lying, man. I'm not lying. It looks like an ice cream. You know? Yeah, so these are things that are including the reason why I'm here right now. While probably I could be doing some overtime right now, but I just decided that, hey, maybe I can just keep on looking at the sea and stuff like that, you understand? So, which is good. Yeah, so look at all these rocks. Huh? Damn. All these rocks, man. Look at how pointy they are. Look how them pointy. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna see if I can walk out that side. Right out there. Damn. And a lot of sun. A lot of sand here. Damn. Mud. But what else? Them place are different, bro, God. But I know I don't say what I look for. I look for a crab or something that the I mean, no fishing line can say me throw out the car and catch some fish, you know? Wish that would be great. Sure of that. I would be proud of myself after this. But damn, look at these big rocks. I'm even afraid to look under it. Okay. Wow. Damn. There's nothing in the water. That one thing. I think I would find something like, you know? Because I thought maybe there's something living inside of it, but nope. Yeah, damn. Oh, I think that's a cave up there. We'll go check it out. Hey, look at this stone. Shit. It's bad, man. It's bad. Whoa. And what's another difference is you will never see the plants that grow near the sea. You will never see them, all these beautiful flowers. You'll never see them on the center of the island that the sea surrounds. It depends on the size of the island as well, because you know the islands always carry different types of plants, animals, creatures, and so forth. But damn, the first me ever look on now a stone so big. Jesus God, me want holla. Look on them stone, yeah, man. Huh? Oh God, so good. Look on them stone, yeah, man. Jesus God. Yeah. Damn. What's that? But anyways, all these shells. Damn. What's this, blood? Anyway, I think this is the end of the video. So guys, see you in the next video and peace out. So don't be afraid to like, share and subscribe and click the notification bell, okay? Alright.